Hey, what it do, what it say, what's up, yo faith family? Yes, this afternoon I'm coming to y'all. Got me some Church's chicken, okay? And this Church's chicken sandwich. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Look at here.
Why is it so dry though?
And you hear light bright over to my why it looks so dry. Oh, there we go, right there. And you know they got some good chicken. Chicken. So it takes 2 pieces today. And I got my Coke pop over here. I was trying to get light bright to come on and do it with me. She's talking about, no, mama. You gonna say at least hi to him? Aline, they ain't seen you in a while. Huh?
No.
Look at her. She anti-sociable. But that's okay. Y'all know the Church's chicken. This right here is hot. Normally when I use Church's chicken hot sauce, it's not hot. Oh, no wonder. This is the Texas Pete. This chicken is the bomb. I love Church's chicken. Real good. That skin is off the chain. And they make it fresh. This Church's chicken, it ain't hard. It was just right. And it's tight.
Your name should be chicken queen. All it is damn chicken.
I love chicken.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh damn, that candy cake. Yeah.
I tell you, this is the best chicken. Y'all hear that crunch? Listen at that. Listen. Crispy. Y'all don't get that much talk out of me. Now I'm eating some Church's chicken. Looking at that. Ooh, Lord. Boy, I tell you. My daughters and them was messing with me, especially the one that don't never want to participate, but she got something to say. See, y'all heard her? I'm talking about what? Ass don't never want to participate. Come on over here, say hi. Y'all ain't gonna never see her. I'm gonna get her if I gotta get her with a bug.
And I'm gonna get you with a snake.
I'm pranking her. I'm getting her. She gonna get on here one way or another. I'm going back today and getting me some more Church's chicken sandwich. And they put this pickle on here. This pickle is good. They're real rude right now. They see I'm over here trying to talk to y'all. And the rudest one is the one that didn't even want to get on the video. But you need to go sit her ass down somewhere.
Hey, that's a motherfucker.
You play with that. I'm just keeping it real. Boy. This church of chicken is the bomb. I can't even stop eating on it. Look at her. Excuse me.
My bad. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. At least
Really?
you heard my voice.
See how rude that is?
Her chest was fat.
Church chicken is fat. Telling y'all. If y'all ain't ate lunch yet, y'all need to go and get y'all from church chicken. Y'all know I am the chicken queen. Mm-hmm. Drip, drip. I'm telling you. I am loving meat. I'm telling you. Light bright. Today the cooks gave them turkey chicken. But you know what? I'm not gonna even lie. Every time I go to this church chicken, their chicken is good. And it's fresh. You know how some chicken places you go to, church chicken or Kentucky Fried Chicken or Popeye, sometimes the chicken be cold and it be hard and it be dark. And it be overcooked sometimes. And it be nasty as hell. But this is right. And this Coke pop. I'm getting some good burp. Good burps. I'm full for the rest of the day. No, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna eat later on too. Not gonna tell no lie. I'm full for right now. Boy. The way I'm eating this, how I'm eating it is how it tastes. These pickles on this chicken sandwich, they good. And I got extra mayo. Y'all get some good burps right now. Man, I'm feeling. Y'all see, this got me quiet. Normally I got a lot to say. Not today. That church was good, good, good. I say good, it was good. So if y'all hungry, stomach is rumbling, pockets is thin, we'll get y'all some churches. Church I went to, they had 10 pieces for $10. And the chicken sandwich was only 99 cents. And I'm telling y'all, the chicken sandwiches were good. You know, normally you get some chicken sandwich sometimes for 99 cents, it'd be hard. When it be cold, these were fresh and good. Arby's got some good sandwiches too now. I had them yesterday. And they is good. I hope y'all having a prosperous day today. Hope y'all day is going well. I hope y'all blessed. And y'all be safe today. Be safe. It's just so much stuff that's going on in this world that we are so unaware of. And sometimes we figure that nothing can happen to us. And you have to be careful and be prayed up and be aware of your surroundings. And people love the ones that's in your corner. Don't mistreat them. Don't talk bad to them. Embrace them and show them appreciation. Whether it's, you know, people that you just met, you know, give them a hug. Say, I appreciate you today. You know, sometimes it just helps. I'm always, as you see, when I go in a place, I don't care if it's the grocery store, wherever else, I speak to everybody that's standing there. I say, good morning, good afternoon, how y'all doing today? And it brings a smile to people's face. Trust me. I'm not one of them people that's afraid to talk or be there for somebody, whether I know you or not. This ear is always open to hear. And I want to tell y'all, I love y'all, love y'all, and I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers because y'all is a part of me. I enjoy reading the comments now, and I have started commenting back because I realize it takes time, if it's just a minute or a second out of your time, for you to say your faith. I'm watching you. Great video. That's the time you took out to show me, look, I'm watching, I'm here. I appreciate you. And I appreciate y'all. Trust me. And I'm reading each and every one of them comments. When I sit down and I'm replying back now. I'm just not putting a hard face. Because to me, you know, I didn't realize that, you know, it's letting you know I didn't seen it. But you don't know if I didn't read it or not. But by me commenting and saying thank you and I appreciate you and have a good day, that lets you know that I didn't read your comment. So, I'll be coming to y'all later. I love y'all. And if you have not subscribed to the Your Faith channel, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and put that notification bell on. I love you. See you later.